He was just a child, on the largest ship in the world that was never supposed to sink. He boarded the ship in 1912 with his father, Thomas, and he was just a boy named Edward, leaving everything behind for a new life in America. But on April 14, something changed. The ship struck an iceberg. Water began to rise, people rushed, panic spread, and time was running out. His father, Thomas, made a choice. He placed his son, Edward, into a lifeboat, knowing he might never see him again. In the freezing ocean, surrounded by darkness, Edward survived while thousands did not. He was too young to understand what had just happened, but Edward's story would never be forgotten.